Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, you need to click on Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups, and then choose Home button. Now tap on Settings, scroll down and choose Apps and Notifications. Then you need to select Default Apps section here and tap on Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, click on it. Now select Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my BLACKVIEW. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and tapping on Default Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!